My first published book, Nature Imagery of the Major Romantic Poets, was an MA dissertation submitted in lieu of a long essay to be written in 3 hours in the examination hall. Supervised by the legendary teacher, Vikramaditya Rai, it deals with the romantic poets who are among the most popular poets in England, prescribed for all students of undergraduate and postgraduate classes. Though all poets were lovers of nature, which was the source of their theme as well as imagery, their response to nature differs. If Wordsworth is a worshipper of nature and goes to it as a priest goes to a temple, Keats loves nature for its own sake, interested only in its outward appearance. ठीक है